Are you tired of slow internet on Windows 10 even when your connection should be blazing fast? It's not your Wi-Fi, it's your settings. In this video, I will show you 5 simple changes that can instantly boost your internet speed. No tools, no downloads, just built-in Windows tweaks. Let's fix it now. Step 1. Disable background apps. First, shut down the unnecessary background apps that quietly eat your bandwidth. So what we need to do is to go to the settings, click privacy, then scroll down and find background apps. Here it is. Click on the background apps and now toggle off all the apps that you don't need to run in the background. Yes, it will save our bandwidth. Step 2. Unmeter your Wi-Fi. Next, make sure your Wi-Fi is not marked as meter. This can restrict updates and speed. So what we need to do is to go to the Wi-Fi settings, go to the Wi-Fi, and here it is. Just mark off the set as a metered connection. Done. Step 3. Change DNS server. Switch to Google DNS for faster website loading. Press Windows and R key. Type ncpa.cpl. Go to the Wi-Fi, right click Wi-Fi and click properties. Now internet protocol. Here just prefer DNS server 8888 and alternate DNS server 88.4.4. Right, same as mentioned in the video. Press OK. OK. Done. Step 4. Turn off delivery optimization. Stop Windows from using your bandwidth to send updates to others. Yes, that's a real thing. Go to settings, scroll down, advanced, scroll down again, delivery optimization here, and turn off the allow downloads from other PCs. Here it is. Done. Step 5. Disable last and offload. Turn off last and offload in your adapter setting to reduce lag and improve responsiveness. What we need to do is to go to the device manager, click your Ethernet hardware, right click, properties. Now go to the advanced tab, click last and offload and just disable it. Similar with the IPv4 version, just disable it. Done. Also, we will check the network adapter hardware drivers. Scan, update the network adapter drivers. Just right click, update drivers, search automatic. Here it is. I have already installed the latest version. Similar with the wireless, search automatic. My best drivers are already installed. All the things have been done. Disable background apps, unmeter Wi-Fi, change DNS, turn off delivery optimization and disable offload. That's it. Your internet should already feel faster. If this really helped out, give it a like, drop a comment if you notice a speed boost, and hit the subscribe button for more quick PC fixes. Thanks for watching.